Firstring collects strength and weakness. One-on-one tutoring allows us to deliver lessons tailored to the student's needs. First and foremost, Firstring plan with the student what they would like to study and learn, over what period of time, and learn what their weaknesses and strengths are. Over time we have collected a variety of materials, such as past papers, question papers, and worksheets we've created ourselves. Even so, we usually always end up making a custom worksheet for the student based on what they need to work on the most. Depending on the course you're taking, our tutorials will always start off with revising a mathematical concept and making sure you understand it. Then we will help you solve some sample problems that are typical of your qualification, tailoring the questions to you. Then, we will send you a worksheet for you to work on until next time. Even if you do not have time or simply don't manage to solve some questions, we will go over the worksheet briefly in the next lesson.
Hey guys, my name is Ashwin Thomas and I'm a student at Firstring Global Online Tuition. And this is my vlog on how Firstring Global Online Tuition managed to help me improve on my weak subjects. Firstly, I wasn't doing particularly well at English and science. I had been getting really bad scores and I needed help fast, as GCSE was right off the corner. That's when I was introduced to Firstring Global Online Tuition. As I started doing Firstring Global Online Tuition, I had made a lot of progress with the help of the teachers, who taught me different subjects in science and English. I learned a lot from them. They tested me through worksheets and homeworks, which was set at the end of each lesson, and we went through it at the start of each lesson to see if I was making any progress. Within 3 months, my teachers at school had started to notice the difference I was making. I'd been doing fantastically well at my test, which meant that I could beat my targets. This is all thanks to Firstring Global Online Tuition. So if you're thinking of joining, I surely recommend you do, and you will see the difference in your lessons.
Hi, my name is Ansaji and I'm from Wales, and I'm here to talk about Firstring Global Online Tuition. Firstring holds the best teachers from all around the world to help you, and I joined Firstring to improve my grades, mainly in math, because obviously math is really difficult and hard, and I find it really complicated. So my friends recommended me to join Firstring Global, and I tried it, and guess what? It's actually pretty good. And now I'm really improving my grades, and I'm the top bands right now, and I really thank Firstring for giving me this opportunity. So right now I'm recommending you guys to join Firstring as well, only if you want to improve in your grades. So check out the Firstring website right now and reach for the heights. Bye!
Hello, my name is Boaz Paul and I live in Liverpool. I'm now in year 6 and I have joined Firstring recently for an grammar school exam preparation. All the teachers in Firstring are super kind and they are very helpful. They will help you to clear all your doubts, and I strongly recommend Firstring Global Online Tuition to any student. And if you need help in any subject in school, Firstring Global Online Tuition should be your #1 choice. Bye. Thank you.